everyone, so I just thought I'd bring you a different little haul from my Victoria's Secret pink. These are little pink dogs from the brand Pink, and this is what they look like. They retail for $10, and this is what one of them looks like. This one has the dog tag. It's really cute. And that's what it looks like. Here's the next one. So you can find these, I believe, at the store. I haven't seen them online myself. So here's the other one. And then this red one that says Love Pink. And then the yellow one, I think it's my most favorite one. I don't know why, but I think he's just so different, plain but different. And then this one, it has a SS Pink, and it's got a little t-shirt on him. And that's what it says. So anyways, these are little things that you can find at the Victoria's Secret pink store. Just a little souvenir. So anyways, well, thank you for watching. Bye.